Hey friends, if you wish to manually install a driver using the .inf file in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Go to your manufacturer's website. Let's say that you are downloading ASUS drivers. So go to the ASUS website or Dell website or HP website, and then go to this ASUS center. Now type the model number. Oh, it could be the Dell website or anyone. Now I have an Asus computer, that's why I'm going to the Asus website. The procedure is same no matter what the company is. I've tried it for different computers. Now click on drivers and tools. Okay. And I'll tell you why we usually install INF drivers to this INF file method, because these are the latest ones. Actually, Windows picks them up from the manufacturer. So we'll go to drivers and tools. Okay, now I will search for the driver, let's say the Bluetooth driver. I'll click on download, and then I'll click on save as, and this is the INF file, and then I'll click on OK, and then I will go to this place, and then I will double click on it to install it on my system. Okay, next, install, and then next, and finally click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.